The cat's in the cab. There must be a window open somewhere.
Yeah.
Where is he?
I don't know. He was down. You saw him jump down in the front there.
There he is.
Curious kitty.
Yep. I can see his tail.
I think he's got his paws up on the dash.
Yep, there he is. Yep,
Yeah,
oh, he's getting a
in the
bug.
window looking around. I can see better from here.
Can you? No, here.
Okay.
I'm gonna go this way.
Go that way.
Oh, this doesn't help at all because it's on the windshield.
Yeah, I'll let you. We wanted this flashlight. Sure felt it. 94 degrees today.
Blue, get out of the cab. Nope, we're in the back now. Oh, there we are. Okay.